Can man decree a thing and have it come to pass? Is the simple statement Neville puts at the beginning of At Your Command, and the answer is a big fat yes, of course we can. Why? Because our awareness is God the Father. Now let me read you a little more here and get you jazzed up for your fabulous day ahead. He says it this way: can man decree a thing and have it come to pass? Most decidedly he can. Man has always decreed that which appeared in his world out here in 3D, and is today decreeing that which is appearing in his world, and shall continue to do so as long as man is conscious of being man. Not one thing has ever appeared in man's world but what man decreed that it should. Now this you may argue with, in my voice, not Neville's. So you look outside at your 3D, you're like, oh my God, what have I done? Well, personally, that's what I said anyway. So you get to the point where you want to change it. You want to decree something different in your reality, in your 3D. How is this done? Neville shares this. This you may deny, but try as you will, you cannot disprove it, for this decreeing is based upon a changeless principle. You do not command things to appear by your words or loud affirmations. Such vain repetition is more often than not confirmation of the opposite. Here comes the bit for us to remember. He says, decreeing is ever done in consciousness. That is, every man is conscious of being what he has decreed himself to be. So when we look out here, we don't like what we see. What we do is go into our imagination and fill our consciousness with that we wish to be. Don't focus on your problems, my darlings. Focus on your desires and what you want. All right, see you next time. Big fat kiss, because I'm all about love up here. Bye, guys. Follow for more.